Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wonder how you can see what's hidden from the naked eye? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of shortwave infrared and exploring the power of SWIR industrial cameras. So what exactly is SWIR? Well, light isn't just what we can see. The electromagnetic spectrum is vast, and SWIR is a region of infrared light just beyond the visible spectrum, typically ranging from 1000 to 2500 nanometers. Unlike visible light that primarily reflects off surfaces, SWIR light can interact with materials in unique ways. It can be absorbed, transmitted, or reflected differently, revealing information that's simply invisible to our eyes in standard cameras. This unique interaction makes SWIR incredibly valuable across a wide range of industrial applications. Think about it. Many materials that appear the same in visible light have distinct signatures in the SWIR range. This allows us to see things like detecting water levels in products, plants, or coatings, identifying different types of plastics, fabrics, or chemicals, seeing scratches, cracks, or imperfections beneath the surface of materials. In some cases, seeing through thin packaging or certain materials. This is where our SWIR industrial cameras come in. These aren't your everyday cameras. They are designed to be highly sensitive to light in the shortwave infrared spectrum. Key features of our SWIR cameras include high sensitivity sensors optimized for the SWIR range, specialized lenses designed to transmit SWIR light effectively, and robust industrial grade construction built to withstand demanding environments. Let's look at some concrete examples of how our SWIR industrial cameras are being used to solve real-world problems. In food processing, SWIR can identify bruises, defects, and even foreign contaminants invisible to the naked eye, ensuring higher quality and safety. For manufacturers, SWIR helps detect subsurface defects in materials, verify coating uniformity, and ensure the integrity of critical components, leading to reduced waste and improved product reliability. In security, SWIR cameras can see through haze, smoke, and even in complete darkness, providing enhanced situational awareness. Ready to unlock the invisible potential of SWIR for your application? Visit our website at wilcoimaging.com to learn more about our range of SWIR industrial cameras.